Hello, my name's Patrick. The purpose of today's exercise is to show you essentially how you would deploy a spill kit to manage a small spill incident at your workplace. Now, the whole purpose of spill kit essentially is to prevent the spill from leaving the site, and of course if you can contain it while it's on site before it enters or leaves the site, then obviously it's much more manageable. Now, spill kit comes in a couple of different varieties. You either have your general spill kit, your HAZCAM spill kit, or your oil spill kit. For the purpose of today's training, we're going to be demonstrating a general spill kit. So this is a general spill kit, which means it's going to just have the items required for a general type spill. Here are the contents of your spill kit: sausages or booms, sometimes also called snakes, kitty litter, absorbent pads, PPE, disposal bags, dustpan and broom, an inventory list. So we have Doug, who's just spotted a spill incident. So Doug would take charge of the situation by containing it as quickly as he can. So the first thing that Doug has to do is to cordon off the area. So he's assessed the risks right there and then. He's worked out that possibly one of the biggest risks is incoming traffic. So he's cordoned off the area using some safety cones. Doug has then utilized the sausages or snakes, booms, and he's put it right across where the spill is likely to run into the stormwater drain. He's put 2 sausages just as a secondary backup in case it bypasses the first sausage. Doug is now utilizing pads as much as he can, absorbent pads, and he's going to place the pads carefully across the spill, over the top of the spill. And the idea behind the pads is quite simply to convert the liquid into a solid form. So the pads will quickly absorb any loose liquid, and it then will prevent the liquid from leaving the site. Now that the spill is contained, Doug will utilize the disposal bag to dispose of the contents or the used contents to mop up the spill. So he will be picking up the used pads while still having his PPE on. He will now dispose of the used material into the disposal bags. He will then report it, and the whole idea behind the reporting is to find ways of improving and also to document. But more importantly, it also now allows you to take it to the next step, which is to restock the spill kits, especially the contents that has been used.